Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Good job or well done.
Good job or well done.
I understand.
I understand.
Sorry,
Sorry,
I am grateful to you.
I'm grateful to you.
I'm extremely well.
I'm extremely well.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
just a moment.
just a moment.
In my point of view, you are absolutely right.
In my point of view, you are absolutely right.
See you later.
See you later.
Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
Could you give me a hand?
Could you give me a hand?
Can I have your name?
Can I have your name?
That's so disappointing.
That's so disappointing.